how we can make it a Java is reversing. This is most popular interview questions where middle is beginner or experienced person. This is the most important Java coding questions. So let's we can discuss with how we can make a string reverse using Java 8. So let's I declare one variable. Uh, where else I take it string declare variable name I will take here. So Kirtan I'll take my name actually. So next I'm going to write a method how we can make a string is reverse. Let's I will take one variable first over the will. So let's I will take a arrays. Right, arrays is you have to convert in the stream, right? So we can take it arrays dot stream Java 8 function. You are most familiar, I think so. So I'll take a stream API. After that I'm going to split it the input actually into I'm going to string into I'm going to convert string into the characters. So let's say declare name dot split. I'm going to split it in characters. Okay, so after that I'm going to use reduce functions here. So reduce, you most popular heard about this, right? Reduce functions for additions and multiplications. Out of purpose we are using this reduce function, right? So here let's I'm taking that for reversing the string. So let's it will start from the empty array. Okay, accumulator, I'm using the accumulator here for reversing the string. So I will declare b plus a plus a and b. Just I'll take reference for this. You can write whatever you are convenient. And I'm going to use lambda expression here for accumulator position, right? A to b, b to a. So let's simple code, guys. This is the very important Java interview questions, and this question can be asked in the beginners or experienced person also. You should know these things, okay? The interview they may be asked Java 7, Java 8, and nowadays their interviewers asking Java 8. You are going to write Java reverse string. So this is very important, guys. You should learn these things, and I'm going to reverse this, okay? So after that I'm closing this. So I'm exciting, guys, whether this will going to work or not. So I will see now. Says you can see this shortcut, guys. If you are going to instead of writing system.out.println, just you can cc can type. This is shortcut, guys. I think you may familiar, I think so. Just you can type sys and it will go system sys out is coming, right? So here you can I'm going to print this variable, right? Reverse variable. So I'll take printing the reverse variable. Whether my name is going to reverse or we'll see, guys. Okay, so sorry, I'm going to concatenate it. So I'm going to concatenate the two strings. So let's see, we can see whether it will execute or not. I'm excited, guys, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Code with Kirtan. And in future you can expect a lot of coding practices, coding exercise. I will come across with multiple like DSA questions and Java 8, stream related interview coding questions, and interview exciting topic also. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Code with Kirtan. Let's I will execute this program. I'm excited, guys. I'm exciting to exert this programming or running or not. See, we can see. Yeah, guys, it's working. See, correct, right? See, what I'm printing is Kirtan. Okay, Kirtan I'm printing here. Okay, this is spelling mistake, guys. Well, I will save this Java program. Again, I will going to execute, right? So you can see here. See, my name is going to reverse. So in this is the most important Java questions. Out of 10 interview questions,